इट्स इंडिया वेब फेस्ट सीजन 2 एंड मानव जी हमारे साथ इस वक्त। मानव जी रॉस से है। सर, सबसे पहला सवाल, इंडिया वेब फेस्ट सीजन 2 पर आकर कितना अच्छा लग रहा है और क्या कहना चाहेंगे इंडिया वेब फेस्ट के बारे में?
यार, आशीष और सिद्ध को मैं बहुत टाइम से जानता हूँ। इनका पहला शो जब इन्होंने लॉन्च किया था, आई हैड स्पॉन्सर्ड इट when I was at Alt, right? So both of them are very hard working, both of them are very entrepreneurial. What they have built in IWM as an IP is a commendable job in such a short time. And I think this is one of the platforms where all the right key ingredients are in place in terms of people, topics and context.
Great. So how do you see the digital boom that is happening in our country currently, and where do you see it progressing in the next 3 to 5 years?
Oh, so if you really look at the way digital as a medium has been growing, right, both in terms of consumption as well as spends, it is what we've seen so far is only the tip of the iceberg, right? The whole iceberg is yet to come. And if you look at any report, in another 5 to 6 years, you will have about billion people accessing a thicker pipe. They'll be consuming content. Any which ways, if you look at it from a TV penetration standpoint, against 200 or 250 million households, you have about 1.2 billion people, right? And these are 1.2 billion mobile phones, and these are the phones that have never consumed content in the past. So digital and video are de facto future when it comes to India.
And do you see the internet content becoming the market leader as far as revenue goes, overtaking television and film?
Oh, absolutely yes, right? If you look at content for these platforms and for these devices, also remember, right, India has only seen either a 3-movie arc or 100 to 100 episode TV shows, right? So today, when there are people who are spending on data, today the consumer is on move, right? What he needs is snackable content. And India is yet to see writers, producers, directors, content creators across the value chain who are gonna invest in and gonna build in that kind of content. And I think time is, and the future is of them, not us.
And the crowd is on mobile today. Do you foresee a future where perhaps people fixated to mobiles will stop watching television and films altogether?
No. Right, and this has been asked to me very many times in the past, right? Whether TV is dying or whether one medium will die or not. I think India is again one of the countries where parallel concentric circles of growth continue to run across medium, devices, platform and formats, right? So I think while mobile consumption will grow, right? So for those guys who have never consumed content in the past, for them smartphones is the de facto choice. But people would still want to have immersive experiences, movies like Marvels of the world. You know, people would want to go out and see because those are the experience-led, content. So I think there will be significant audiences for all the mediums.
One last question, Manav ji. आपके फोन पर कौन सा OTT ऐप है और कौन सा इंडियन ओरिजिनल आप देखना और कौन सा इंडियन ओरिजिनल आप देखना पसंद करते हैं?
कौन सा इंडियन ओरिजिनल देखना पसंद करते हैं? So I think last that I finished is Secret Games 2.
Okay. Thank you so much, man.
Thank you guys.
Thank you.
Have fun.
Thank you.